Y'all, what happened? Yesterday, it was like 70, 75. Amazing. Well, that didn't work. But it's freaking cold. And I'm not a fan. Not a fan. I'm in like sweatpants on top of my pants with a coat on. I don't like it. But still got to come give Chromey some love and a cookie. Mr. Tater Tot gets one too because he loves my cookies. Love it. Chromey, come here. I'll give you butt hugs. Hi, big boy. He's saying, what were you doing? Here's your cookie. Oh, your kitty friend's in here too. Hi, sweet boy. Hi. He thinks I have more. I don't. Did you have a good day? I don't have any more. It's just my hand. Even your kitty friend are just so strange. I've never seen something like that. Hi. Well, just giving you an update. Everything's been fine for the storms. I appreciate everyone's concern. And those that are getting hit, definitely sending prayers your way because that was rough. That was a rough night. What are you doing? I'm getting you one, Ada. So, Ada took her medicine like a champ this morning with the treat. Hi, sweet. I know. Okay. You stay out of there, crazy cat. All right, Ada. I'm glad you like them. There you go. Mr. Bacon waited ever so patiently. I'm coming, Dipsy. You're so weird. You want to try it? But you just want to rub on it. Oh, you just want pets. Okay. Oh, here's another one. Hello. Okay. There you go, ma'am. That's my finger. All right. Well, everyone's okay. They're happy and fat. And I'm freezing. So I'm going to go inside. And I'm going to bed because I got about 5.5 hours of sleep, which is not what I normally get. I just wanted to give thanks to everyone that checked up on us, and I hope y'all are safe as well.